10 Income Ideas Using Technology. Technology has indiscriminately transformed all sectors of life, especially with the emergence of high-speed internet. The world has become a global village that is now presenting all of us with an opportunity to make a living online. Guess what? There are ways in which you can leverage technology and start earning. Interested in knowing how? Well, stick around till the end to find out all the things you can do to make money via technology. Hi everyone, welcome to Lex Tech. In this video, we're going to talk about the 10 most brilliant ideas that you can use to your advantage to make a living online, either by doing it full-time, or if you want, you can make it a side hustle to earn some extra bucks. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a method in which, instead of getting a job, you provide services and the client that needs them will hire you directly. In recent years, freelancing has gotten so much attention because of its unmatched benefits. First, you are not bound to any long-term contracts from a company. Secondly, there are no special rules and regulations to adhere to. All you need is a marketable skill and you can start earning instantaneously. So how to get started? The most important thing that you'll need is great internet and a computer on which you can render your services. The better your internet and devices are, the more efficient your services will be. Then, you'll have to make a profile on the freelancing platforms online and start hunting for clients. It might take a bit of time for you to understand how the market dynamics work, but once you get rolling, you can make a great living, thanks to the modern technology that has made all this possible. Number 2. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is a new method of making money through e-commerce. There were times when, if you had to sell something online, you would need to stock the items beforehand. Not anymore. Now all you need is an e-commerce platform where you can list the items that you need to sell and get a supplier on board who will send the purchased item directly to the customer. It's like an innovation in the supply chain, where instead of the supplier providing items to a seller who then ships the items to the consumer, the purchases go directly from the supplier to the consumer. It's beneficial for the seller, as you don't need to worry about inventory collecting dust in the store. You can start with zero inventory, and once a consumer orders, then the supplier can fulfill its demand. Dropshipping has certainly changed the way e-commerce works, and you can make a decent living out of it. Number 3. Start an online blog. Is there a creative hidden inside you? If yes, then starting an online blog is a great way to earn money. A blog can be a visual one, or if you think you can write a story worth catching the audience's attention, then you can start writing a blog. If I have to rank something that's the easiest to start, then it will be an online blog. However, you might not start earning from it immediately. In its initial phases, you cannot charge the consumers to pay for it until you have substantial traffic on the platform, and the other way is through running online advertisements on the blog, which also requires some amount of regular traffic. So I'd say if you are looking for something where you can express your creative freedom alongside making some passive income, then an online blog is the way to go. Number 4. Selling homemade items. I know people who are good at making things like arts and crafts, jewelry, and knitwear, but they do it as a hobby. However, technology can help you transform your hobby in a way for you to make money. I know selling things online needs some time, but once you know how to target the right customer base, then it becomes quite easier. There are so many platforms that provide you with an opportunity to list your items there. Otherwise, you can use Instagram and Facebook to sell your things. There are so many options out there, you just need to explore and see what works best for you. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Don't want to put in a lot of effort in creating something of your own and still want to make some money? Well, then affiliate marketing is the best thing for you. In affiliate marketing, you work as an ambassador and you market another person's brand or product. The way you earn is through making a commission on the products you sell. This is one of the greatest methods where you can make good passive income by using your phone. So do give it a try if you want to test your sales skills. Number 6. Digital products. Digital products range from some very complex mobile phone apps to basic PDFs and plugins. Now, earning through digital products is great. I mean, it's a huge industry, and if you are really skillful, then you can earn quite a lot out of it. But like some other things that I have mentioned here, it might not be as simple to do. Because making a PDF is an easy task, but it won't earn you good money. On the other hand, creating an app will bring a lot of money. However, it requires some substantial skills to make one. So if you are really looking to use technology to your advantage, then I'll suggest investing in yourself and gaining some skills. Once you do that, you can make a whole lot of money online. Producing and selling digital products can even become your full-time job. Number 7. Make monetized content. If you think you can create good content, then there is no better way to earn than by monetizing that content and earning from it. Long gone are the days when content production was confined to big production houses and creators. Now all you need is a skill, a camera, or a phone, and you can start earning from it. Platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are all equally brilliant and offer you an opportunity to make money. All these platforms will compensate you for your content based on their algorithms. So make the content, publish it online, and as your content gains traction, you will start making money out of it. Number 8. Investing. Remember the days when you had to hire a broker to manage your investment portfolios as it was all done manually? Well, technology has changed all of that. Now you can start investing with a few taps on your phone screen. There are so many online platforms where you can deposit money and build an investment portfolio for yourself. I mean, it's things like this where you can get the idea of how far technology has come today. For investing, you have to download an application where you can trade stocks or mutual funds based on your financial goals. Then deposit the money using your bank cards or bank transfer. After that, it's just you and your investment portfolio. One thing I'll recommend is to conduct proper research before you bet your money. However, there is no doubt about the potential and opportunity investing offers you for making money. Number 9. Online courses. If you are a teacher or you've got expertise in a particular subject, then you can use that for making pre-recorded courses and selling them online. There are many websites such as Udemy that will allow you to list the courses on their platform for which they'll charge some commission. If you don't want to pay someone, then you can make a dedicated website to sell the courses. Usually, online courses sell based on the niche of the subject, but you can still start by making somewhere around $100 for each of your courses. If you are good enough, then your customers will be willing to pay more. However, it's a great opportunity to exploit if you can prepare courses and sell them. Number 10. Become a social media influencer. Do you spend a bunch of time on social media websites such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter? What if I told you that you can use these platforms to earn money? Instagram has really created an enormous ecosystem of influencers where people are earning either by posting content or using the platform to establish small businesses. In the beginning, you might have to spend some time gathering an audience that likes watching your content or are interested in your products, if you have a business. But once you got the right audience and number of followers, you can use that opportunity to earn. There are just so many ways to make money. For example, you can start making sponsored content for the brands or post ads. There is an infinite amount of potential in social media, which you can use to your benefit. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.